Hello, thanks for checking into the Rocky Ridge Auto channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a Honda remote battery. There's a little LED light that should be lighting up there. It barely lights up, sometimes lights up. So I'm going to say the remote battery is probably shot. I'm going to replace it. I'll show you how to do it. This is the same for this is a 2022 Honda Pilot. So we're going to flick this open here, take the emergency key out. And by the way, this is how you would start the car if your remote doesn't unlock the door, if this is dead, or if your car battery is dead. And then you can get into the car and open it up with the door handle, with the cylinder beside the door handle. And at that point, you can take this key, step on the brake, and push it right to the push button start. It should start it. If that's not it, then the battery probably needs jumped in the car. So, let me show you how to pop this open here. Pretty easy. Take a little flat blade here, and you just separate the shell. Pop this open. And herein lies our 2032 battery. And we can get in here and you just kind of pry it up like that. Very important to put the new one back the same way. So I like these Pixel batteries. They are a good value, very reliable. And it's got the 3 volts again. It's a lithium. So we're going to pop this back in. Listen to the snap. Nice. And then we're going to put the shell back together. You just kind of line it up just like that. Listen for the snap. There you go. Slide the E key back in. Whoops. Like that. Now we've got a LED that functions as it should. It's not sluggish like it was before. I don't know if you can hear it beeping in the background, but that was the fix. Again, this will do Hondas. This is a 22. This will do Hondas, I think, but depending on your style. If it's a push button key, probably 2019 to 2026. So please follow us for more tips, subscribe, and we want you to have a great day.